This year, OPPO has launched a wide range of devices from several A-series phones to higher-end Reno devices. While 2021 may be nearing its end, OPPO is not yet done as it has just launched the new A95 in the Philippines. This new midranger promises to be a great partner for watching your favorite shows as well as taking photos and videos. But does it have enough power for gaming? And is it worth the price? Hi guys, my name is Colin and welcome back again to Geek. Today we are going to be taking a look at the latest A-series phone from OPPO, the OPPO A95, and if this phone is worth your hard-earned peso. Now before we actually go on and do that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so because we're making more and more videos for you guys. Simply click the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell right beside it so you know when we come up with a new video. Okay ba yun? Right, now that we have that out of the way, let's go on with our review of the OPPO A95. The OPPO A95 comes in two colors, glowing starry black and glowing rainbow silver. The unit that we have with us is the glowing starry black, and while black colored phones are usually plain looking, the A95 is quite a stunner. Instead of appearing with a shiny coating that's sure to be a fingerprint magnet, the OPPO A95 Starry Black is adorned in a deep black matte finish that's still quite luminescent, especially when the light hits on its surface. There's a nice shimmer and cool sheen to it, which also lends to great hand feel when holding. On the back, you can also see the phone's triple rear camera setup that's headlined by a 48 megapixel rear shooter. Moving to the front, we can see the phone's 6.43-inch Full HD Plus display with the hole punch notch towards the top left. Most phones today have this type of notch, though we do like the fact that this notch here is on the left side as, for us, this placement is less distracting. The display looks great and it's even better when you watch your favorite movies or shows on it. What makes the A95 a great phone for watching movies and shows is the fact that it uses an AMOLED display. In case you're unfamiliar, AMOLED screens produce more vibrant colors and deeper blacks compared to standard displays. This difference is definitely noticeable in the A95, meaning movie marathons are great on this device, provided of course that you're used to watching movies and series on a phone. One thing to note is that for movie marathons, we highly recommend using headphones or external speakers. The OPPO A95 single bottom firing speaker is decent enough for some light video watching, but its quality may not be enough to fully enjoy your favorite content. Thankfully, the phone does come with a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you aren't limited to using wireless audio devices. While the phone is great for watching films and TV, how does it handle gaming? Now before we dive into the gaming performance of the OPPO A95, do take note that OPPO Philippines sent us an engineering unit. Now while the performance may be similar, there might be some slight variances with the retail unit. So just take note of that, guys. The OPPO A95 is powered by a Snapdragon 662 processor that's paired with 8GB of RAM. While the 8GB of RAM should be plenty of memory, its processor is now competing against more recent chipsets in this range. So how does it perform? Well, it performs decently for today's popular games. For starters, the A95 is able to run League of Legends Wild Rift smoothly at near 60 FPS on the default graphics settings. Even after playing several games, the performance held steady. For FPS games such as Call of Duty Mobile, the phone also worked well at its default graphics settings. This means you should have very little issues running popular games on the OPPO A95. Just don't crank the graphics settings all the way up. Now while the phone works on a lot of popular games, do take note that the Qualcomm Snapdragon 622 just doesn't have enough power to run through the more demanding Android games such as Genshin Impact. So just take note of that if you are an avid mobile gamer. Moving on to the cameras, the OPPO A95 has a 48 megapixel main shooter, a 2 megapixel macro camera, and 2 megapixel depth sensor triple shooter setup. On the flip side, meanwhile, is a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. The OPPO A95 produces decent photos and videos as long as you have good enough lighting. During the day, the OPPO A95 can produce striking images. When nighttime hits, it's equipped with a night mode to help you capture your subject still, although you may want to bring a tripod with you or something to help keep the phone steady. As for the 16-megapixel front-facing camera, it's enough for decent selfies and when you need to use your smartphone for various Zoom calls and online conferences. Even with the Snapdragon 662, the OPPO A95 packs quite a punch for everyday use. Whether you need the phone for social media, email, and some light photo editing, this smartphone should run fast and snappy. For its OS, the A95 runs on ColorOS 11.1 based on Android 11. While the look and layout is not stock Android, we think it's still easy to use and should satisfy most users, especially if you're a power user or a stock Android enthusiast, of course. Another interesting thing to note about the A95 is that it has an under-display fingerprint scanner. Usually, mid-range phones come with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, so it's nice to see this feature that you usually see on higher-end phones. Finally, the OPPO A95 has great battery life. Thanks to its 5000 mAh of battery, the A95 can last for very well over a day even if you use it a bit heavily. And if you do need to top up, the phone has a SuperVOOC 2.0 fast charge support that lets it reach 54% from zero in just 30 minutes. Overall, the OPPO A95 is a good smartphone with a nice design, vibrant display, long battery life, and nice camera performance. Now, while it is great on these areas, those who love playing games may find the phone a little bit lacking, especially with the 15,999 peso price point. So, is it worth getting? If you value great display and long battery life plus a really nice design, then this might actually be a good phone for you. Moreover, OPPO's joyful Christmas sale is already in full swing and the OPPO A95 is part of the many rosters of smartphones that are perfect value for money gifts this holiday season. So do you think the OPPO A95 is the next smartphone for you or your loved ones? Let us know in the comment section down below. And don't forget guys, again, OPPO's joyful Christmas sale is already happening, so do check that out as well for great gift ideas and gift items that you can buy this holiday season. If you want more stories on this, follow us on ungeek.ph and we will put the links of these down below as well so you can check it out. And with that, my name is Colin, and if you've watched until this point, maraming salamat po. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, happy holidays everyone. I will be seeing you on the next one, guys. Keep on gaming. Bye-bye.